Veggies. It's meal prep Sunday. Got my coffee, doing some meal prep. Last week was kind of a doozy because I was on a work trip and just no meal prep was done. But this week, going back to basics. I'm not really sure what I'm going to be making for breakfast. I can't really tell what I want, but I'm thinking pumpkin overnight oats since it's almost October and that just feels right. I'm going to be making some fajita chicken, which is actually in the crock pot right now. It's very, very easy. You literally just throw chicken, peppers, and onions in the crock pot and let it simmer with spices. And then you can put it over a bed of rice or in flour tortillas, corn tortillas, whatever. So good. And then for lunch, I actually did these chicken burgers that we get at Costco, some potatoes and veggies, really easy as well. And those are already done. And I will walk you through how I did them. New here, my name is Michelle. I am a mom of two littles 24/7 and a product designer from 9 to 5. The purpose of my channel is to share healthy and easy but delicious meals with other parents who may be in the same boat as us, not too much help, but still want to eat healthy and really sustain our energy levels for parenting and for working or whatever you have on deck. So if any of this interests you, please hit the subscribe button and I really appreciate you watching. Without further ado, let's get to cooking. I absolutely love these Primavera veggies that we get at Costco. They're frozen, but they're slightly seasoned and made with avocado oil. They're just really good. They're like fire roasted, but you can easily swap these out for your favorite veggies. And then, of course, the star of the show is these super duper easy chicken patties that are so tasty, high in protein, have really good macros just in general, and are just such an easy lunch to meal prep. So you just grill them up and then add the veggies like I did on the side, and then you could put potatoes or rice. We just had a ton of gold potatoes, so I just stuck those in the oven, and yeah, they're great. Put them in the oven until they're tender. Other than that, like everything else, just on the stovetop, or you could grill, like actually use an outdoor grill for the chicken patties, but just felt like that was kind of overkill for what I was doing. But very tasty lunch. I feel like I make kind of like a different edition of the chicken fajita crockpot meal. Sometimes I'll do it with like a jar of salsa, but we had these peppers that I wanted to do something with, so I ended up just chopping them up. We had some onion, chopped that up, stuck that in the crock pot with some taco seasoning and then just a bunch of chicken, and just put it on high for a few hours, and it just naturally shreds down, which is really convenient when you're making bowls, or you could even put these in some tortillas, a salad. Really versatile, super easy because it's pretty much hands off after you cut your veggies. And what's nice is if your kids don't particularly like bell peppers or onions, they just shrink down almost completely because of sitting in the crock pot for, slow cooking for a few hours, but it just gives them a really nice flavor. We ended up serving this over some cauliflower rice topped with some avocado. maybe a little bit of cheese, but it makes for a really great, fast weeknight meal. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I have not been as consistent as I would like on this channel. Life is life, and I have a full-time job, so just trying to, balance all the things, but I really appreciate the support that I get on this channel, and I hope to see you next week.